Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common problem with GE Profile dishwashers, the dreaded 888 error code. This code usually means there's a problem with the dishwasher's heating element or the thermistor, which senses the water temperature. Don't worry, we'll walk through troubleshooting steps to hopefully get your dishwasher back up and running. First, let's try a simple reset. Sometimes, the error is just a glitch. Turn off the dishwasher by pressing the power button. Then, flip the circuit breaker that controls the dishwasher off. Wait about 5 minutes. This allows the dishwasher's computer to completely reset. Flip the breaker back on and turn the dishwasher on. Run a short cycle and see if the 888 code reappears. If it does, we need to investigate further. Next, we'll check the heating element. Safety first. Make sure the dishwasher is off and the breaker is still off. Locate the heating element at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. It usually looks like a curved metal bar. Visually inspect it for any signs of damage, like cracks, blisters, or burns. If you see any damage, the heating element needs to be replaced. You can test the heating element with a multimeter. Set the multimeter to measure ohms. Place the probes on the heating element terminals. A good heating element should show a resistance reading, usually between 10 and 30 ohms. If you get a reading of 0 or infinite resistance, the heating element is faulty and needs replacement. Now, let's look at the thermistor. This sensor tells the dishwasher the water temperature. It's usually located near the heating element or at the bottom of the dishwasher. It might be necessary to remove a kick panel to access it. Again, visually inspect it for damage. To test the thermistor, you'll also need a multimeter. Disconnect the thermistor from the dishwasher's control board. Set your multimeter to measure resistance. The resistance should change depending on the water temperature. Typically, at room temperature, it should read around 50,000 ohms. Check your dishwasher's service manual for the exact resistance value at a specific temperature. If the resistance is way off or doesn't change when you warm the thermistor slightly with your hand, it's likely faulty and needs to be replaced. Finally, if both the heating element and thermistor seem okay, the problem might be with the control board. This is the brain of the dishwasher. Unfortunately, diagnosing a control board issue can be tricky and might require a professional technician. Consider contacting a qualified appliance repair person for assistance. Replacing a control board can be expensive, so it's best to get a professional opinion. Replacing the heating element or thermistor can be a DIY project if you're comfortable working with appliances. Just make sure to disconnect the power before you start any repairs. Remember to take pictures as you disassemble things, so you can put everything back together correctly. That's it for troubleshooting the GE Profile PDT785SYNFS Dishwasher 888 error code. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or have other dishwasher issues you want us to address. We appreciate your feedback.